All right, I'm going to do a quick unboxing for the Maverick XR-50 digital barbecue thermometer. This is a receiver style wireless thermometer, so that means instead of a smartphone app, you're going to be using a physical receiver. I actually really like this type of thermometer for a bunch of different reasons, especially when you're doing competition cooking. You're passing the thermometer off to your friend or your cooking partner, or if you're in a situation where you don't want to be beholden to using your phone, you just want to have a receiver running around the kitchen so you can take a look at it when necessary. But definitely a really cool tool. Let's take a look at it and open it on up. All right, so a little pop tab on the back. Open that up. Okay. All right, perfect. I'll put this over here to the side. Actually, let me get that out of the way so it doesn't take up attention. Okay, so out the gate, you've got two thermometer pieces. One is going to be your base / transmitter, and then one is your receiver, small as your receiver, obviously. And then you've got, this is your ambient air temperature sensor. See how it's a little bit smaller? You can also use that as a regular probe. And then, you got two of those, and then two ambient air sensors, and then two regular stainless steel probes for your proteins, and then two grill clips in there. That's great. Love to see that this model comes with grill grate clips. Makes it easy so you're not laying it on your grill grate and getting a false temperature because of the conductivity of the metal on your grate. So you just throw that through there, and then you're going to put the probe in, and it just sits right above your grill grate, right at protein height, making sure you get a really accurate temperature reading. Great little feature right there. These are really nice stainless steel probes, braided stainless steel or braided metal cable. The connections look really strong, a little bit loose, and they're crimped up here though, so be careful. Don't just tug it out. Always grab the probe and pull out your probe so you don't mess up the connection, but that usually runs true for all thermometers. And then let's take a look at this guy. Take a look at the base, the transmitter rather, and then the receiver. So one thing I love about this is that they're about the same size, and you can have up to 4 probes running at one time. It'll display all 4 temperatures, and then same thing on your receiver. You're getting all 4 temperatures displayed simultaneously. You're not cycling through a screen seeing one temperature at a time. That's an awesome feature, something that some of these receiver style wireless barbecue thermometers don't often hit. And then let me see where the batteries go. Oh, there you go. Okay, comes equipped with batteries. That's awesome. Runs on AAAs. Love that. 2 AAAs for one, and then 2 AAAs for the other. Perfect. Magnetic backings, easily attached to any stainless steel surface. That's great. Or any reactive metal surface. That's awesome. Make sure you don't put this against the side of your smoker. That chamber can get a little hot, and you're going to end up melting the plastic, even though it looks like it's really nice high temp plastic. You've got high temp silicone connections around the side. It looks like a little bit of a defect. I'm going to try to wiggle that back in. Just seems like this rubber grommet around the outside is a little pulled out on that side, but okay. But otherwise, really, really clean, really good design. I like the rubberized coating, stand up to drops. I like how thick and firm these feel, and big fan of the displays. The stainless steel probes are really well made. I like that it comes with grill clips. The only thing I think I don't love about this package is it doesn't come with an included carrying case, which with all this sort of equipment running around, that is a big necessity for this kind of tool, because you don't want it to get lost, and you don't want them to get banged around inside drawers or inside your cooking kit. So I think an organizer would make this a lot better, but you can buy that aftermarket. All right, I can't wait to see how this thing cooks. So thank you very much for watching. This has been our unboxing of the Maverick XR-50 Pro. Thank you so much. Bye now.